Here are 5 of the best mobile phones you can consider in 2024, based on their overall performance, features, and user reviews. Number 1. Blackview Shark 8. The Blackview Shark 8 is a gaming powerhouse designed to deliver an immersive experience. The high refresh rate display, coupled with the capable processor, ensures smooth gameplay. While the 64 megapixels camera might not be a primary focus for gamers, it's a decent addition. Should you buy it? If you prioritize gaming performance and a large, vibrant display, the Shark 8 is worth considering. However, if photography is a top concern, explore other options. Number 2. Oukitel WP35. The Oukitel WP35 is a rugged smartphone built for those who crave outdoor adventures. The massive battery ensures you stay connected, while the IP68 rating protects the device from the elements. The combination of ample storage and RAM is impressive. Should you buy it? If you need a phone that can withstand tough conditions and offer long battery life, the WP35 is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize sleek design and cutting-edge camera technology, you might find other options more appealing. Number 3. OSCAL Tiger 12. The OSCAL Tiger 12 presents a balanced package with a focus on performance and multimedia. The large display and ample storage make it suitable for various tasks, including gaming, media consumption, and productivity. Should you buy it? If you seek a versatile smartphone that delivers solid performance across the board, the Tiger 12 is worth considering. It's a good option for users who don't have specific, high-demand requirements. Number 4. RedMagic 9 Pro. The RedMagic 9 Pro is a flagship gaming phone that leaves no stone unturned. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with optimized cooling, ensures top-tier performance. The fast-charging technology is a welcome addition. Should you buy it? If you're a hardcore gamer seeking the absolute best performance and features, the RedMagic 9 Pro is a compelling choice. However, its price tag might be prohibitive for casual gamers. Number 5. Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. The Unihertz Tank 3 Pro is a unique offering that blends ruggedness with innovative features. The built-in projector is a standout feature, perfect for camping or outdoor presentations. The massive battery ensures long-lasting use. Should you buy it? If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs a phone that can handle extreme conditions and offer additional functionality beyond calling and texting, the Tank 3 Pro is worth exploring. However, the focus on ruggedness and unique features might come at the expense of certain performance aspects.